Elsa was located by an Air Force Reserve reconnaissance aircraft and NOAA Doppler weather radars near latitude 20. Tornado watch for the following counties in Florida: Lake, Orange, Seminole, and Volusia. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 340, effective until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Florida: Lake, Orange, Seminole, and Volusia. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial and public radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Serving Daytona Beach and vicinity, this is NOAA